first of many moving vlogs. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am finally moving out. This is just so crazy. Today is June 21st, and today starts the process of me packing up my stuff and just getting everything in order. This has been a long time coming, like no joke. I'm moving out on my own. I'm getting my home place. All right, I literally look like crap today, but you know what? That is all right. I just got back from babysitting today, which if you babysit, you know, it sometimes can be a lot. Not as far as just like, oh, it's a horrible job, because I love babysitting so much, but it's just like, I look a mess because we were playing outside and it was like really hot, and then like we were playing inside. But anyways, oh my, I am moving out of my childhood home. I'm moving out of my parents' house, but funny thing is, I'm literally just moving next door. Little bit of a backstory here. We turned our shed into a little studio apartment for my sister and her husband whenever they got married, and then they had a little one, and that's my nephew. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. So they have been living there for probably the past 2 years, I would have to say, and now they finally bought a home for themselves, and it's just like, it's time for them to move up. Like I said, this was kind of like a little studio apartment, but now they have a house and it's so beautiful. But anyway, so that means I get the apartment. So I am so very excited about this. So today's video is just a lot of packing and prepping because they haven't moved out yet. They're still in the process of moving out. So then I need to start focusing on the process of moving in. So there's just a lot going on. I don't know if you can tell, but I am like super excited. I am so very happy. A little bit of a chill pill. Let's go inside and let's start packing up. I also know that there's gonna be like so many emotions whenever it comes to like all these vlogs, because there's gonna be times where I'm like super happy. Like right now I'm so happy, but it doesn't even feel real yet to me. I'm just excited. So I'm thinking that I'm definitely gonna have a mental breakdown at one point. Don't you worry. But who knows whenever I'm gonna have that little mental breakdown. It might be whenever I first move in, and it might not be. I don't know. But anyways, this is just gonna be an emotional roller coaster, and yeah. So welcome to the first of many moving vlogs. Would you guys believe me if I told you that I literally just cleaned like 2 days ago? Nah, probably not. Probably do not believe me at all. It's true though, I did clean, like just, y'all, whenever I move out, that is one thing I'm gonna be working on, is I'm not gonna let my house end up looking like this. I mean, what is that? All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, now that feels a lot better. And now we can start focusing on the packing. As far as everything in here goes, I'm literally moving this entire thing into my house. So I'm not gonna take anything out because it's just like literally all my clothes, and I'm gonna transfer it from the drawers into my closet. So that is just, whew, I'm out of breath. So we're just going to transfer all this once it's inside the house. So for right now, we're just gonna leave all that. I also have some boxes that I got from Amazon that I'm going to be using just to kind of pack up like different things, because I've been like collecting cups throughout the years, just so that whenever I do move out, I would have that. But I have just like a whole bunch of little trinkets and stuff that I would like to bring. And then I actually organized my entire room the other day, where I went through every single drawer that I had, and I just got rid of a whole bunch of stuff. That's what like all the buckets, I mean not buckets, those were all like the bags that was right there. Hello cutie. That's where all the bags right there was. It was just a whole bunch of get rid of clothes and get rid of things. And probably as I'm taking all the boxes out again, I will probably go through it and just like get rid of more stuff. So I'm just gonna be decluttering while I am trying to pack, because this might take a couple of days, but I find that it's just so much easier to move whenever you don't have like a lot of stuff. And it's very convenient that it's right next door. I don't have to really get like moving boxes or anything like that. I can literally just take it, like the clothes in my closet, I'm just going to take off I'm not going to take them off the hangers. I'm just going to grab them, walk them outside into the closet that's out there. So it's just kind of like that kind of thing. So those things are definitely going to wait, but I can definitely pack up what I can so far. And like what I'm not using, I can definitely pack that up so that it's just nice and ready to go. Okay, so here's pretty much all of the breakable stuff that I have been collecting over the years. Like I have my mason jar. I have like my little glass cups that I got from Ross. I have just kind of like little bowls that I've kind of like collected. This is just kind of like throughout the years, just stuff. And then there's some candles that I wanted to bring. So, you know, this is just stuff throughout the years that I've just kind of been collecting, being like, this is what I want to put in my house. I'm thinking that I'll take the tag off of this wine bottle and maybe make it into like a vase. Who knows? So I know I'm going to be packing my books. I might do that today. I might not. Who knows? But right now, let's just get all this breakable stuff into a box before this little stinker jumps up there and tries to mess everything up, huh?
Can somebody say me other thing going to do? Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know.
Okay, one box down, and I'm not going to be able to close this, but that's okay. I just wanted to get all my breakables into one thing so that this little booger does not knock anything over, because I've been hiding it in my closet, but I'm trying to like get it all prepped and ready. So yep, one box down. Watch me being like so worried that my cat's gonna knock it over and be just like knock it over and break everything. I can probably do my books now. Guys, I did not realize that I had this many books. You silly cat. Look, come on. Look, hop up, beep, beep, beep. Anyways, I did not realize that I had this many books. These are like my journals / books, like fantasy books that I like to read, my devotionals, Lord of the Rings. Oh my gosh, it's so good. All of my Amish novels. Wow, it has been a while since I read a good Amish book. And then just like all of my journals and stuff. So this is pretty much like self-help, fantasy, journaling. This really doesn't look like a lot now that I'm looking at it, but it kind of is. That's like my little library collection right there. These are actually my sister's books, but she let me borrow them just for like the aesthetic of it all. But I did read them and they are so good. But I don't know, I might be giving those back to her. But we can box all these up.
Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood?
You know, it's a good thing I'm not trying to make this look aesthetically pleasing, because it's just like I tried to fit all of my books into one box. What is it with you and just like getting in the shot, huh? I mean, I don't mind it, but it's just like you're rubbing your head on like everything. So cute though. But there it is. There's all my books. So box number 2, done. I am losing the daylight. Like I said, I've already kind of went through a lot of stuff. So I have like boxes that are underneath my bed that I already went through, and then my mom already claimed them. So she already has her stuff in my bedroom right now, which is perfectly fine. I only have one box, but that's like, it's already ready. I just got to grab it from under my bed and it's going to go under my bed out there whenever I move out there. So that's pretty much what I have, is just like a whole bunch of boxes that I already went through, and they're just drawers that I'm just going to bring out there and then put into the drawers out there, then bring the buckets back in here, you know, something like that. So I also have my Function of Beauty products that I actually have like 3 boxes that I forgot that I had. How is it that you managed to find your way in the spot that I need in every single shot that I'm trying to do? So here is my new suitcase. Like, absolutely love it. Got like a little rose gold detailing there. I would move, bud. I would move. Look. So I walking outside because I have been cooped in my room all day and I'm ready just to get some fresh air. So I'm just going for a little walk, you know, just like in our backyard. But it's always nice just to get like a little bit of fresh air whenever you are like working on stuff, because like I said, I've been cooped up in my room all day. So coming outside is definitely, I was about to say, is definitely like a breath of fresh air, because it literally is. And I just took my shirt off because it is hot. But I'm just in like a sports bra, so it works. It absolutely works. I'm just gonna enjoy a little bit of the fresh air for a little bit before I get back to it. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like literally a person like right there. It was just watching me. Well, you guys know it doesn't take much to embarrass me. Haha, I'm going back inside now.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person.
Okay, now that I have that done, I feel so much better. So I emptied out like two buckets, kind of 3 buckets, and I just kind of fit it all in my suitcase. So now I don't have to worry about that. I could just bring my suitcase out and figure things out. Okay, so also in our bathroom, I have a bucket of stuff. So this is my bucket. I have just like some, so in this bucket I just have some like hair stuff, and then in here I have like my toothbrushes, toothpaste and everything in here, and then some like mouthwash. So this is gonna be coming with me, not the basket, but just like I'm gonna pack that another day. I also have my like Function of Beauty stuff, my face wash, another Function of Beauty, and my purple shampoo. So that's gonna be coming with me, but not until I actually move out there. So this is just gonna stay here. So that's basically the plan, is just gonna like stay in here, because I don't have a lot of stuff in this bathroom. Like, being that I live with my family, I do not have like a lot of stuff here, which is great. So that me moving out, I do not have to move a lot of stuff, but that does mean I have to buy a lot of stuff. So that part of it is fun. So this is the part that I'm kind of like not sure about. So we are in my closet now, and I just put my bag in here with full of the stuff, but like all these clothes, I was gonna go through them and like get rid of some, but because I didn't have a lot of room, but I'm about to get a huge closet that all this stuff will actually fit in. So I don't think I'm gonna get rid of anything. I just went through my closet and got rid of a lot of stuff. So, and this is like a lot of winter time and it's summer, so of course I want to get rid of it now, but I'm probably gonna need it in the winter time. But then I have like a whole bunch of t-shirts that are in here. All these are my little koozie sock collection. You guys know I love my koozie socks. I have like 2 buckets right here that have like stuff in it that I've already went through, and it's just kind of like all this stuff is stuff I've already went through, and I just need to move it from here to there, like to my house. So I don't know what to do with it. I have to hang up these, but I don't know what to do. Like, should I go through it and try to put it in other buckets? But the way I'm thinking is I could just grab the bucket, bring it outside, and then empty it out there, then bring the bucket back in here, because I'm not keeping these buckets. But so that is my thought process right now, and I don't really know what to do, because it's like, I mean, yeah, I could just leave it. It just kind of makes it a little easier. And then, of course, all this is going to come with me. And yeah, be prepared, because this moving series is going to be absolutely crazy and pretty much all over the place. But yeah, I'm super excited. And I cannot believe this is real. Like, is this really happening? It hasn't hit me yet. It has not hit me yet that I am moving. And I think until it does, then I'm just kind of like going through the motions. I'm just kind of like, okay, yeah, well, I'm moving, you know, I'm just going to pack. I feel like I'm packing for a trip, because like you're excited about the trip, but it doesn't feel real until you're on the road kind of thing. So I feel like that's how it is. I'm like packing to move out, but until I start moving my stuff to the house, that's whenever it's going to probably start feeling real to me. But anyways, you know, it's still very exciting. So whenever moving day comes, I just have a few boxes to bring, my desk, my actual, what do you call it? Like the cabinet thing. And then just a few jackets, my little ramp thingy, and then I think 1 or 2 boxes that have stuff in it. But anyways, I'm trying to think of just like anything that's like loose that I could be like, okay, let me just like quickly grab that and put it. But like I said, I'm living next door, so it's really as simple as whenever the moving day comes, me just like coming in here, grabbing it and bringing it out there. So as far as the packing side goes, I think I have everything in either drawers or boxes. I now have my breakable and books organized. I have some other stuff ready to go. Yeah, I think I'm pretty prepped now. All I need to do is whenever the day comes that I have to move out, which will be in a few days actually. I'm so excited. Yeah, I really hope that y'all enjoy this little first episode of the moving vlogs, and there'll be a lot more to come whenever it is time to actually move out. I just wanted to make sure that I was completely prepped, which I am. I'm trying to think of anything else that I need to actually pack or put into boxes, and I really don't think I have anything else. I think everything is already prepped and ready to go. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog whenever and whatever is happening in the next moving vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope that y'all are safe and well. I love y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye guys.